Hey guys, back with me again at this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can create a new folder in Gmail. So here I've already opened my Gmail on desktop, and to create a new folder you can go to settings and then find label and create a new label. But I'm going to show you an easy way. So here you just need to choose the email that you want to add to the folder. For example, this one. Right click on the email and then find the option to move to, and after that click on the create new, and here you just need to fill in a new label or folder name, for example Netflix. Then after that you can also put the folder or label under the existing folder here, but if you're not, you can just uncheck this box right here and just click on create. Then after that a new folder or label has been created in here. Okay, so that's a simple tutorial for me. So if you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if you think the video is helpful, remember to click thanks, like this video, and also subscribe if you haven't done that. I'll catch you all in the next tutorial. Bye.